Hallo allemaal. Hello everyone. Let's get started with the second one.
Ja,
Ja,
nee,
nee. Jullie, you plural. Joepie. This happy sound. Je, so you, ja.
ja,
Nee. 19, 19. Nederlands, Dutch. Neersteken, stab.
nee. Alsjeblieft.
Alsjeblieft. Okay, so this is alsjeblieft. And you have the informal one, which is alstublieft. If you guys remember, the U is always the formal. Is formal. And then you have je or jij, which is informal. Nowadays, people tend to not really use this as much. In my parents' generation, it was used far more often. And as a Dutch language learner, you're just safe to use this whenever you want. So, and by the way, the difference between these two is a bit complicated. There are some really weird exceptions and cases in which you can use the one and not the other. I will not go over that right now, but I will do so in a future video. For now, all you need to know is it's not really, doesn't matter that much. It's just pick one you like. Alsjeblieft. Oh, this is one of those examples, by the way. You cannot say als jij blieft. That's wrong. You can only say alsjeblieft, the informal version, or alstublieft, the formal version. 19. Nee. No.
Nee.
Okay.
Oké.
Okay. They use this little extra thingy here, I don't know what to call it, which is officially correct. In everyday speech, very few people do that. In WhatsApp or whatnot. Actually, even in writing, most people tend to omit it. So,
Oké. Alsjeblieft.
altijd, always. Oh, I should do the words first. Of has some other meanings. Oost, east, open. It just means open. Was it still on time?
Oké.
I guess not. Yeah, that's a bit of an issue. They don't give you a whole lot of time, so I cannot explain everything in, well, the 5 or so seconds they give me. I'll just try to read the Dutch pronunciation and try to do the translation as fast as I can.
Het spijt me.
Het spijt me. There's an easier way to just say like just sorry. Het spijt me. This is far more. It's heavier than saying just sorry.
Tot ziens.
Tot ziens. You'll hear me use this at the end of
Tot
pretty much
ziens.
every video. Tot ziens. Goodbye. So a very informal way of saying things would be like later. You just say like later, later. But this one, tot ziens. Hoe gaat het? How are you doing? Spreek je Engels? Do you speak English? Het spijt me. I'm sorry. Ik snap het. I get it.
Het spijt me.
Open. Same. Out. Old. Overal. Everywhere.
Oké.
Out. Oké. Recentelijk. Opstaan.
Oké. Spreek je Engels?
Spreek je Engels? Do you speak English?
Het spijt me.
Het spijt me. I'm sorry.
Het t-shirt.
Het t-shirt. So the t-shirt.
Het spijt me. Het spijt me.
Ja.
Ja. Alsjeblieft.
Alsjeblieft. Remember, this is the informal one. The formal one is alstublieft.
Alcohol.
Alcohol. Alcohol.
Allemaal.
Allemaal. Everyone.
Alsjeblieft. Alsjeblieft.
We zijn. We are. De zitplaats. The seats. The sit. Yeah, whatever. Zich afvragen. To question themselves.
Tot ziens.
Alsjeblieft.
Alsjeblieft. Dag.
Dag. Doei. Tot ziens. Later. These are all variations. So, dag. Tot ziens. Doei. Later. Tot kijk. Same meaning, basically. Het spijt me.
Het spijt me.
Tot ziens.
Tot ziens.
Dag. Dan means then. Drama is drama. Dit, this.
Dag.
Tot ziens.
Tot ziens.
Alsjeblieft.
Alsjeblieft.
Oké.
Oké. Het spijt me.
Het spijt me.
Het spijt me.
Ja.
Ja.
Nee.
Nee.
So this is the formal one. Alstublieft. Als, if. Alcohol, alcohol. Alleenstaand, single. Allemaal, everyone.
Alsjeblieft.
Alsjeblieft.
Ja.
Ja.
Ja. Dat.
Dat. That.
3.
3. So 3.
Dag.
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 Tot ziens.
Tot ziens.
Tot ziens.
Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you have any recommendations or just things you want to know about Dutch, let me know. I'll get to you.